Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing some smart Wi-Fi plugs and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing the Teckin Smart Wi-Fi Plug, and this model is the SP20. And the great thing about this product is you guys can use this to plug any device into this plug, and basically you have control of that device with an application on your phone. So basically with these plugs, you can virtually make anything wireless and also smart. But before we actually get started with this Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below the video and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. If you guys do like this video, make sure you guys go down below and leave a like. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner interested in a product review in the future, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. That is where you guys can send me your messages and we can potentially work together on a future product review. But, you know, all the product information and links are down below in the description for this product. So if you guys are interested in buying this product after watching this video, that will be down below for you guys to check out. So now we're going to move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see on the primary camera, there's not really a whole lot to this box, you know. There's a logo of the company, and on the side, you know, there's a few specifications and details. So what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a closer shot at this product. We get Teckin in the middle of the top of the box. As I flip it onto this side, though, you guys can see it says Smart Wi-Fi Plug. This is the SP20 model, as I was talking about earlier, and this is 15 amps. And you guys can see this is actually a picture of the Smart Wi-Fi Plug. And with this model that we have, we actually get included two of the same things, so that's really nice. On this side of the box, you guys can see these are some specifications and details, such as Wi-Fi connection, app control, voice control, and you guys can also set timers with the application. On this back of the stuff, there's more specifications. You guys can take a pause if you want to read that kind of info. And then on this side, this is actually the QR code for the application. You guys can actually get the Smart Life application on Google Play and in the Apple Store. But that's basically it for the first look portion of this video. So now we're going to move on to actually unboxing this box. So all you need to do is lift up this flap, and then basically all you got to do is fold this back. And you guys can see this is how the box looks like inside. So instantly you are greeted with a user manual. So yeah, I do recommend you guys actually to read this user manual to get more information. Inside the box, these are our two smart plugs. So you guys can plug this into like a power source, and then basically whatever you plug into that smart Wi-Fi plug, now you guys can have full control over it with your application. Meaning whatever you plug into it, you can control it virtually anywhere at any given time. So let's actually pull them out. So you guys can see this is how one of them looks like. You guys can see this is where you would plug in the device. This smart Wi-Fi plug does just only have one plug-in, and there is a power button on the side to actually power this on. You guys can see on the back side, this is how it looks like with the prongs and everything that you plug into the, you know, electrical device, or what, the power source, I should say. So you guys can see on the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's actually included with the packaging. You get two smart Wi-Fi plugs, and you also get a user manual to help set up with this smart Wi-Fi plug. So that's basically it for the unboxing portion. So now we're going to move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So what we're actually going to do first is basically plug in one of these smart Wi-Fi plugs into a socket. So what we're going to do is actually get an extension cable so we can plug this into. Okay, so I have an extension cable right here that we guys are going to we're going to use to actually plug this smart Wi-Fi plug into. So all you need to do is basically take one of these smart Wi-Fi plugs and plug it in. I'll just plug this one onto this side right here. They're both actually flashing already. They already have some indications that they're on. So what I'm going to do is basically get my phone up and running so you guys can see the application and how to use the application. And then we'll test this out with a few devices. So right now you guys should be able to see my phone screen. So what we're going to do now is basically connect this to the CrewElite application. So I've already went through the whole process of actually installing this application because I've actually used this application in the past multiple times. So when you guys are using this application for the first time, it's going to ask you for your details, and all you need to do is basically set up an account with the application. So what we need to do is verify that these two smart, LED lights are basically indicating, or I should say flashing rapidly. So all you need to do is hold down this power button, okay, and hold it down until it starts flashing. There is like a faint little blue light that is flashing, but I don't know if you guys can actually see that on camera. But basically hold down the power button until you see that blue light flashing like every 2 seconds or so. So what we're gonna do now is basically go over on my phone and add these two devices in now. And since this is a smart Wi-Fi plug, we're gonna go to the sockets, Wi-Fi, and it is blinking rapidly. It's going to ask you for your Wi-Fi. Make sure it's a 2.4G Wi-Fi. And now it's basically just searching and connecting or finding a thing to connect to. So it's basically just kind of scouting whatever devices are available for it to connect to. Okay, so currently we actually have one of them already connected. So now we have to just repeat the same thing with the second one now. Make sure the blue light is flashing. And basically wait until this one also connects as well. Okay, you guys can see now it is all connected. So we got both of these smart sockets ready to go. So in our case, since we are doing a test of this smart socket, I'm going to bring out some devices that we can clearly see or is working as we plug these things in. So I have a nice little light switch right here, and we have a nice little like 3D illusion lamp that we're going to test out in this video. So if we're able to see these things get powered up, that means that this smart Wi-Fi plug is indeed working. So for this one, we can plug in this light switch, and then let me just plug this in so you guys can see this one's currently on because on my phone screen we have it on at the moment. So if I click on the middle, you guys should see it powered off. I didn't unplug anything, and I can power back on, and now the the illusion lamp is back on. Power it on, power it off, power it on, power it off. So what we need to do now is actually test out the other one. Let's go back out, and you guys can see this is the second one that we have, or the first one that we actually set up. So you guys can see it is very versatile. You guys can easily power this smart Wi-Fi plug on and off at any time. And the great thing is you guys can set up a schedule, set up a timer, set up a countdown, and turn this, whatever you have plugged in to this smart Wi-Fi plug on and off anywhere at any time. So if I was outside right now, or if I was in, let's just say 2,000 miles away, I can easily turn on and off anything that's plugged into these smart Wi-Fi plugs. You guys can see both of them are off now. Now I can turn both of them on, and now, okay, come on, there we go, come on. There we go. I wasn't able to actually click the power button for a second, but you guys can see I can easily turn everything on and then turn everything back off. So it is a very nice and versatile product, considering that you have that functionality of basically turning it on and off anywhere and any time. So what we're going to do now is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and end off this video. So one of my final remarks and opinions about this smart Wi-Fi plug from the company Teckin. I think that this is a very nice product. If you have appliances, devices, or things that you want to like schedule up or have it turn on and off at a certain time, this is a fantastic product to do so. You can plug, each one of these sockets only has one port that you can plug a device into, but it's still a nice thing to have, considering that you guys can plug this and then basically can control it on your phone anywhere, anytime, and have family members also connect to it. So you guys can actually use one account and have multiple devices where you can control all these devices. So I think it's a very nice product with the conjunction of the application. But other than that, this is a fantastic product to get. You know, meaning now means I can basically turn this on, off at any given time, not have to worry about having to unplug anything. I could just power it off my phone. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if you're new to our YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, go down below in the description and leave a comment. I reply, not in the description, in the comment section. I reply and read every single comment I receive. So if you guys have any questions or concerns about this product, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did like this video, make sure you guys go down below and slam your body into the like section. That just informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying these kinds of videos. If you guys want to follow us on our various social media platforms, our social media accounts are down below in the description. You guys can follow us to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. If you're a business owner or a company owner and you're interested in a product review in the future, you guys can email us at CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. That is where you guys can send me your messages and we could potentially work together on a future product review. And then all the product information is down below in the description. You guys can check that out, where you guys the link to purchase and all that kind of stuff is down below in the description. But anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.